click this link in the email you received and tap Safari or your preferred browser. It should take you to this Google Drive folder. This PDF gives some information on what's included in the sample pack, and I recommend you read this before you try out the samples. Now let's go back to the Google Drive folder by tapping this back button. And now let's download this zip folder. Simply tap on it and then click this download button on the top right. It may take a few seconds to load. Next, tap More as shown here, and then you want to choose the option that says Save to Files, and then save the zip file into your desired folder location. Now go back to your iPad home screen and go to the Files app and find the zip file you just downloaded and saved. Tap on the zip folder and it should automatically generate the folder that includes the sample bullet journal and included digital stickers in the sample pack. Now go back to the GoodNotes 5 app, tap New, then Import. Find the sample bullet journal in that folder we just created with the zip file. And the sample bullet journal is now imported onto your GoodNotes 5 app. Some of the tabs in the sample have working hyperlinks. To try this, put the planner in reading mode by tapping this icon in the top right corner. When it's white, this means that it's in reading mode. But when it's blue, this means it's on editing mode and hyperlinks will not work. Now to use the stickers with the GoodNotes 5 app, I recommend you put the Files app in side-by-side view as shown here. That way you can simply drag and drop the stickers to set up your spreads. The sample pack includes 24 stickers that will allow you to create 3 different types of weekly spreads, giving you a glimpse of what it would look like to create a complete spread.